Welcome. In front of me is a TCL 408 and today I'll show you how you can put this device into recovery mode. So to get started, we're gonna hold our power button and select power off once it's visible. And when the device turns off, all you need to do is hold your power button and the volume up at the same time. When you see the TCL logo, let go of your power button and keep holding volume up. And as you can see, this redirects us to the recovery mode. Now in here we have a bunch of different options, which you will then select using your volume buttons and confirm using the power button. Now quickly going into the options that we have access to, we have Reboot System Now, which takes us back to our Android. We have Reboot to Bootloader, which does the same thing as the option below, which is Fastboot mode. Then we have Apply Updates from ADB or SD card, Wave Data, Mount System, View Logs, Run Tests, and Power Off the device. So those are all the options. I'm gonna stick with the first one, confirm it, and this will take me back to Android like I mentioned. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.